If you really want to speak English fluently, if you really want to speak English confidently, if you really want to speak English like native speaker, then this video is for you. So watch the video till the end, because if you skip the video, you will not be able to understand properly. Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel English with Ma Madam. Friends, in this video I am going to talk about how can we stay motivated while learning this language. Do you know, friends, what is very important while learning any new language or whatever you are doing in your life? Like it could be your business, it could be your preparation for competitive exam, for any government exam, it could be anything. What is very important? You don't know? Don't worry, I will tell you. The most important thing while learning any new language or while doing anything in your life, the thing is motivation. Everybody needs motivation. While doing anything in his life or in her life, everybody needs motivation. But the question is, how can we motivate ourselves? From my opinion, you should stop thinking negative things about yourself. Like, don't think about that you are fumbling too much while speaking. Stop thinking that you are not speaking right. Stop thinking that you are doing lots of mistakes while speaking. Stop thinking that you are not very fluent. Stop thinking that you are doing lots of grammatical mistakes. Stop thinking about your negative thinking about yourself. Stop thinking your negative points about yourself. Don't think that I am not able to speak in front of anyone. Always think positive things about yourself. It will motivate you. You are thinking too much negative things about yourself. Maybe your English probably better than you are thinking. It can be happen, na? Do you know, friends, the difference between the people who are success at learning this language and the people who are not success in this? Why they are not success? Because they was always thinking negative points about her or himself. And those people who are success, who was always thinking about him or herself, is always positive things. That's why they always stay motivated and become success. That's why I am telling you that stop thinking any negative points about yourself. Always think positive things about yourself. You can also motivate yourself. Always think positive things. Stay away to negative things. Stay away to negative peoples. Success people always think positive things about him or herself. They always be consistent and they always put 100% effort on his work. That's why they will be success, otherwise not. And the third one is he or she always put 100% effort to achieve their goal. That's why success people become success. Whenever you get demotivated, whenever you want to give up, whenever you want to quit, then ask only one question to yourself, that why you started, why you are starting doing this, why I am learning this language, why I started my business, why I am preparing for any competitive exam. If you are preparing for any exam, then ask only one question to yourself, that why you started. Reassess your goals, why you started. Reassess your goals and write them down and read them. Why I started. I started learning this language because I want to learn this language, because I want to travel, because I want to develop my business in foreign countries, because I want to go for study abroad. Whatever the reason, why you are started. You have to resist this and write down why you are started and think about it. Why I started? For quit? No. We started doing something for not quitting. We started doing something to achieve something. We have to achieve something. We have to achieve our goal. So friends, I am always telling you that whatever you are going to do with your 100% effort. If you want to result, then you have to put your 100% effort on this work. Otherwise, the work will not success. You will not able to, wait a minute, you will not able to learn any language. You will not able to develop your business. You will not able to complete your dreams if you have not dedication for that work. Put your 100% effort on this work, do your work, but do with enjoyment, do with fun. Don't take too much stress on your mind. I just want to tell you that find some interesting way to learn this language. You can learn this language by watching movies. You can learn this language by watching series, whatever you are interested in. Watch those types of videos what you are interested in. Like if you are interested in movies, then you can watch movies but watch in English. If you are interested in series, then you can watch series. If you are interested to listen commentary, then you can also watch commentary but in English. Whatever you are interested, just start watching and learning something, and also you can entertain yourself. This is the best way to learn anything, because in this way you are also learning something and you are also entertaining yourself. Friends, I want to tell you one thing, just only one thing, that whatever you have time, just utilize your time. Don't waste your time. Whatever you want to do in your life, just utilize your time there and be disciplined. What do I mean by discipline? Discipline means you have to fix your schedule. Whenever you are wake up in the morning, then first of all make a routine for your whole day. Today I have to do this, I am going to do this. So make first of all routine for your whole day, whatever you have to do in that day. No matter what happen, you have to complete your work. I am going to do this, this is my goal. That types you can achieve your goal. If you fix your target, if you make any routine for your complete your target, that types you can achieve your goal. So friends, I am ending my video. If you like my videos, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for listening me.